So at 1 a.m. in the night, we were sitting and randomly we are planning to go somewhere in the weekend. After a long session of brainstorming, like we thought about Mount Abu, we thought about going to places around Ahmedabad like Adalaj and Gift City and all. But in the end, we end up at this place. Did you look at this gigantic statue? This is said to be the tallest statue in the world, and if you compare it with other statues in the world, it is 1.5x of the second like highest statue, and it's like at the bay of Narmada river. You can see that river is currently not flowing at 100%, but still there are boating and other activities are there. You can also enjoy that as well. It's a kind of newly developed area, and in recent years it evolved over like 8 to 10 kilometers of all over range, and it covers up many gardens, forest safaris, and also the dam, which is famous as well, said to be one of the like biggest dam in India. So yep, we have to go to gallery up there as well, and maybe we can go there and we'll show you some visuals out there as well. There are several food options as well here, like you can enjoy Starbucks if you are a coffee lover. There is a South Indian franchisee which is called Sankalp as well, and I think there are some snacks which are outside of the campus, so you can take that as well. I think inside this as well there are many more franchises as well, like Amul and etc. I cannot see everything, but yeah, anyways, we are currently on the like non-festival days, so we are not expecting too much of traffic here. Hopefully we don't have to wait too much to go up there at the gallery. So see you up there. If we reach at a certain level from the bottom, at the base of the Statue of Unity complex, we reach at this place, which is like one floor below the top of Sardar Patel statue, and you can see that this is covered in a circle, and everything seems to be fine. The view is amazing. Like you can see the Narmada river also from here, and let's take a round here. Maybe seeing going here. It is right through my ears. I think this is the best view among the all views on the Statue of Unity, because even if you go at the top of viewing gallery, it is not that worth it, because we have some glasses, we have like certain railings as well, so we cannot go through that. But here it's like natural, it's open and it's breathtaking. So yeah, this is your view. So it's 3:20 p.m. and we reached here at Ekta Nagar railway station at Sardar Sarovar around like 11:15 a.m. But the thing is that at 2 p.m. we are done with our lunch, even exploring the Statue of Unity as well. So I mean, we pre-booked our train and it's at like 9 p.m. So we are currently messed up, and like we are exploring some options to reach Ahmedabad somehow. So hopefully, I think there is a bus at 4:40 p.m. So if we can get a seat there, then hopefully we'll reach on time. Otherwise, we are just stuck here with nothing to do. So let's hope for the best, because there is very less transport here, and the train timings are very difficult. It's in the morning or either in the night. So yeah, if you are planning your journey here, maybe plan accordingly, and let's see what happens. We recently tried to book our tickets with GSRTC, and eventually I selected one seat, and that's how we blocked our seat and we are stuck. So I think we have pretty much less time, like we have 15 minutes. Actually, like GSRTC doesn't allow us to book 1 hour before the journey. So let's hope that seats get unblocked before that, and we somehow get our hands on the seat. So let's see. We are walking down through some rural area of Navagam, and you can see there are all buildings. This is government buildings and maybe blocks to stay here. But yeah, it's in pretty bad conditions to stay here, but still looking like people are staying here anyways. So still those seats are not unblocked, and we are hoping that it happens before 3:40. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Otherwise I think anyone else won't be also able to book that seat as well. So let's see. We decided to directly went to that GSRTC bus stand, and eventually there were 2 seats left which was showing as blocked due to we tried to book it. So eventually I don't know, like on the every time when we book through GSRTC, it finish the quota before 1 hour of the journey, but this time it shows that it is allowing till 4 p.m. and somehow those 2 seats were unblocked, and here we go. We are very excited and feeling so much lucky that we got that final 2 tickets, and that is at the last part of the bus. We will be enjoying the bumper rides. But yeah, we'll reach the Ahmedabad as soon as possible. That's our agenda, and we are on it. So yeah, it's been like 25 minutes, and we are trying to find some cold drinks, but eventually there is no stall keeping the regular brands like Pepsi, Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, etc. And what we are finding is just a local brand, and we are still walking down the main road again to find some cold drinks to remove our dehydration. So yeah, it's a working day, busy day, kind of, and lucky day as well, somehow, and somehow unlucky day as well. But yeah, we are enjoying it, and yes, soon we'll reach Ahmedabad, and we find some peace at home by taking a quick nap. Yep, see you then.